This is a bowl of fruit. How original. No, I'm not a furry. I'm like, yeah. No, I was not a horse girl. This is LV's shadow lady. This doesn't look like her. Younger me, you need to chill. Grade F minus. Oh, Ichigo, you are so badly wounded. I missed you so much. Orihime, don't cry. It's okay. Too much Ichihime. Ah! Yandere-chan, we're moving on. More Yandere-chan, we're moving on. Disgusting. My OC Diamond, she's come back. This is her Bankai. Oh my god. This is her terrible. How does she even have a Bankai if she's like... What? Okay, whatever. Grr, readings, my sentient beings. It is I, the one and the only, and I'm certainly not the smartest or the artsiest artist out there, but that's okay. But anyways, welcome to part 3 of this lovely video series of where I go over a lot of my old art and stuff. And as you know, you already get the gist. This is my sticky note of censorship. In the last video, I went over this sketchbook and a couple others in my realism art from the past. And now I'm going to be starting off with this sketchbook right here from middle school. So let's get to it. So this is a sketchbook from 7th grade. I think this sketchbook right here is supposed to come before this one, but to be honest, I really do not know. So this might also be chronologically out of order. So, oops. And I would draw in the sketchbook like during class, like when I had free time, or like in PE, and any time that I had. This is an Adam Lambert reference, if you know that song. Some girl running. There might be math in this book, I know for a fact. This is some girl being pushed to her doom. She's going, what the heck? And the other girl's like, heh. This drawing sucks. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm pretty mean to my art in this sketchbook. I was a very edgy 7th grader. This was some dude, some girls. A lot of because I carried this around with me, there's like a lot of like smudging of the pencils. If you can see, like some of this drawing got onto this page, this drawing got onto that page. It's very messy, so this is like one of the more messier sketchbooks. Evil dude, some stuff. This is really cute. I remember drawing this, like at lunch or something. This was some girl. Inktober. I drew this during a meeting. Some girl on a train. Kawaii mushrooms. Not trying to cuss. Ha. Dancing Samurai is the name of a very catchy song. It's like dancing in the night. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Don't know the lyrics. Hair drawn by my friend. This is some math, some realism versus anime. I was attempting to draw my sister. Wrong way, some arms. Can't draw hands. Yeah, I wrote I can't draw freaking hands. Hands were pretty challenging, but I get better, I guess. My attempt at realism, bleh. Some girl, it's my bae. I wrote my bae. Ichigo. Yes, we love Ichigo. He's yelling at someone. Something for Halloween. A witch. Pumpkinhead. Hey, that's cute. I like that. This is Rukia. She's like holding like some sort of keto orb. Or it's not water. So I wrote, this is keto, not water. Now shut up. Oh gosh. Oh, this is a really cute. This is actually super cute. This Rukia or Orihime. This is some girl with like a trash bag or something. Ah, yes! Math! This is Yi, you know. Yeah, that meme. The most majestic creature, yes. So, this is some elf, and this is Ichigo and Orihime. Very cute. Look at all of this math. Look at this math! We were solving systems of equations. Let's go. Oh my goodness. So this is some girl. Another girl just speed running. Speed walking? Speed something. I don't know. Some girl. I drew this in PE. I remember drawing this in PE, like in the bleachers. I think I also drew this in PE. Some more stuff. A girl running. I was trying to work on like foreshortening and like perspective and all that fun stuff. Some moon girl. Yeah, okay. This is some girl with like a mug for some reason. Hands. Oh, this guy's kind of cute. Look at how cute he is. He looks like his name is Oliver or something. Oh, this was back when I was on a website called Pagey World, which was like an art sharing website. This was like me announcing like a hiatus. Pagey World got shut down, unfortunately. It was one of my favorite art websites. But it says, sorry for the lack of posts. Smarty Artsy has been very busy with real life. Smarty Artsy will try to post more. Thank you for sticking around. By the way, Smarty Artsy was like my name since like I started posting my art around middle school, so it's been my fake online pseudonym brand name thingy for a very long time. Compound interest formula. Okay. Me in school. Die, arrogant humans, die. Bwahahaha. Yes. Oh, this is kind of cute. This is some girl. She's like, I don't know what this is supposed to be, but she's like wearing a mask. Very cute. This is some edgy girl with like a choker and everything. This is like some really fun girl riding like a sled led by butterflies. I don't know how that would work. That would probably like cause the butterflies to die or something, but whatever. Oh gosh, this one's about to be weird. I can't draw men. Ugh, this dude is a swimsuit model. I'm gonna pretend that this is swimwear and not men's underpants. This is Keith from Voltron. I actually had a Voltron obsession in like 7th grade. It was pretty crazy, but I stopped liking the show after the final season because it was a train wreck. This is some girl, some figure drawing stuff. Oh my gosh! It's the original Scandalous Merman! Check it out! I labeled him the Skimpy Merman. Dude, and this man has nipples. Yes, I drew those nipples. Let's go. This is the origin of the Scandalous Merman. I remember drawing this in the library of my school, and I was just like laughing the whole time, like, haha, I'm drawing a shirtless man. And like I even added the abs and the details, and yeah, this is kind of what eventually became the Scandalous Merman drawing that I made. You'll see that in a later part of this video. This is some girl. This is like some cat girl and some guy drinking a frappuccino because he's oh so fancy. I remember drawing this in the library too, and I posted this to Pagey World. This girl is not taking crap from anyone. Yeah, you go, girl. You see her shirt even says, not taking your crap. Yes. Another cute girl in cat ear headbands. So this is like a 1-minute drawing challenge thing that I did. This was not made in 1 minute, excluding this. This is supposed to be like some cat. It's supposed to look like Sleepy King, the animator from YouTube. This is Spike from My Little Pony. This is supposed to be Aaron from Aphmal's like My Street series. Oh my goodness. That's Uryu from Bleach, and this was an attempt at Urza from Fairy Tail, all sketched in 1 minute. It's pretty interesting. This is some dude. What is this face? He's like, let me in! He's trapped outside, it's raining, he looks very stupid, his hand looks kind of mangled, but it's okay. This boy had his butt handed to him. I found this, there was an artist, I think, like an animator that like made a pose like this, but I just can't remember. But I was just kind of like, you know, I saw this like pose and I was like, I'm gonna draw a guy getting beat up. So edgy. This was like one of those days where I can't freaking draw. Okay, yeah, my mood. Let's see. Okay, wow. A dork and a stork. Okay, and then I drew Ichigo as a catboy. Okay, good job. Good job, self. See you soon. It says see you soon. So edgy. This was for Pagey World. I think I was going on hiatus because of like something really bad that happened on the website. Oh, this is upside down. Some girl. Some demon girl. Some other girl. Oh, this one's kind of cool. This is some dude with like a bow and arrow, kind of like jumping into action. I like his face. Get a good look at his face. I like his face. It looks kind of neat. This is some like girl I drew with like, and I colored her in with a marker. Very cute. Ooh, I kind of like this one. This is like some girl and like her henchmen or something. This is, it says, blah, look up to the sky and see, I'm just a poor boy, I need no sympathy. 1870s? What is this guy? I don't even think this is 18s. I don't even know what fashion this guy is wearing. I don't even know why I wrote Queen lyrics. This dude approves. Edge. We are edgelords in this house. This is the evil nightmare fuel horror. It says, I will haunt your dreams, a spider, and some girl with a chainsaw, and Uganda Knuckles. And that's some girl with like her hand up. She looks kind of cute though. I drew this in a bus again. I remember drawing this in a library. I have this cat guy and like a little kitty cat. He looks like Travis from the Aphmau series. This is some drawing of like Hanahaki disease, which is like some phenomenon where people puke flowers. Very interesting. This is some girl walking, some guy with a blindfold on. Memes were born today. Oh my god! I didn't even realize I put this. I'm gonna have to censor this here. This is what it says on the side. I wrote, kiss, fall into the pit. And I'm said, I'm going to, you know where, some nosebleed. Something that we will not show. Oh my goodness. Trash cans, of course. Mikasa from Attack on Titan. Don't know who that is. Who this person is. I wrote the lyrics to All-Star for some reason. Don't know what this is. Oh, this is some girl sleeping with some cats. Oh, that's cute. These are like some two dudes dancing. That's cute. Cute. Yeah. Stuff. I don't know what that is. Some girls sitting. Wakanda potatoes forever. Ah, yes. Okay, I was trying to draw. Looks like a farmer? I have no idea what I wrote. And potatoes! This is some more stuff. Ichigo as a cat boy. And I think this is like the last page. And then this is like something else, and I think that's the end. Well, that's the end of that sketchbook. That was interesting. It's now time for the next sketchbook. I remember I took this to like on a vacation somewhere, so the sketchbook belongs to me, no snooping or else. Some girl and some Ichigo. Let's get through this one really quickly. Some girl, I think. Rip princess. Okay, don't know what that means. Some girl. I drew this on a moving car. It's kind of weird. The faces of Ichigo. Really bad sketch. Okay, whatever. Hatsune Miku. Some girls. This is like really big. Here we go. Some girls. I ship it. Kaito is so... Oh my gosh, this is embarrassing, but Hatsune Miku and Kaito. I kind of shipped it because like Cantarella. This one's some girl. We will not speak of this, but this is Osana from Yandere Simulator. Barf. What is this? Oh, okay, if I ever have like corners in my sketchbook, that's probably me trying to hide something. Just keep that in mind. I don't know what this is. Okay, this is some really ugly drawing of Ichigo carrying Orihime after something really bad. Why? Bad drawing, no. Okay, that's probably why I had that corner. Let's just keep that down. But, some girl running. This is a unicorn x giraffe, or a unilaph. That's cute, I guess. Bad legs, so a tail. Okay, whatever. This is Ichigo, some unicorn stuff that I like sketched from... Oh, I was drawing this on a plane. That's how I remember. So yeah. Yeah, these are like all things. I did not make this. My sister made this. This is some girl. I think I drew it and my friend colored it. This is some girl I drew and my cousin tried to draw that. Okay, this was like some drawing of some guy getting ambushed in like some place. My friend made that not my friend. My cousin made this potted plant. This is some cute girl on a horse. I think it's cute. Crap. I was trying to draw like a frame of Ichigo from the manga. Fighting poses from Mark Crilly's book. I took Mark Crilly's book with me on this trip. Yeah, it did lead to some crazy stuff. Oh, these are people kissing and stuff. Look at Rukia, just like, it's Rukia, she's just shocked. These are all from references and stuff. Okay, moving on. I titled this Really Crappy Person. Yes, and this is some girl running. This was like a reference from Mark Crilly's book. She's so cute. I actually really like how this came out. This is still kind of like a nice drawing. This is Rukia from Bleach. Oh hey, this is very edgy but kind of cool. It's Ichigo from Bleach with his hollow mask and everything as like a little chibi. Random lady. I drew this in an airport because I remember, and it's just like it bled. Blood, lots of blood. Pencil blood, graphite blood. Yep, I remember drawing this in the airport as well. What's your problem? Yes, I'm going to eat the whole thing. This lady is trying to eat an entire pizza, as you can tell. Oh, what is this? Okay, that's a reference to something. What Rukia chooses to draw in her free time. Yes, a bunny. And Ichigo's like, oh wow, they suck. And Rukia's like, I have no other choice but to kill you. Dun dun dun. And then we're not gonna explain what that is. Hands, people. This is a not too ugly looking Ichigo. I think I like how it looks. His face. This pose. What pose? I think I messed up this person's head. I was like freehanding. My friend drew this. This is some girl. Oh wow, okay, what the heck? This is Ichigo, again, looking all edgy and blood. And this is Orihime on the other side. Because it's like, if you can see like the entire spread, it's like, it looks kind of cool though in the sketchbook. Some girl, some people. Oh, this is kind of cute. I made this with like crayons and stuff. I kind of really like how this came out, and it's like such a nice texture. I love the feel of crayons. Kind of gone onto my hand. This is some girl sitting. She looks kind of cute. This is Ukiura from Bleach. That is somebody. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is Ichigo as a cat boy with no shirt on. What? This is me. I drew myself. We're not gonna explain that. Ichigo with a strawberry neck. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. You have to see this. Yeah, he's like, this is so stupid. I gave him a freaking collar bell. What is? And then I'm like, that's me drooling over Ichigo, and Orihime's like, hey, that's mine. And this is Rukia and Orihime. This is kind of cute. I think I did this like in a school. Michigo. Okay, there was like this anime con or something that like had a fake Ichigo, but his name was Michigo with a mustache. He is not me. What an idiot. That's the real Ichigo. This is a drawing of my friend. She does not look anything like my friend, but that's okay. I think she colored. I don't remember. This does not look like my friend. I think I drew her all wrong. This is some guy commenting about, I drew him in like an outfit, the bleeding from the last page is covering him up. And he's like, this outfit is so stupid. Not Ichigo. Not sarcasm. This is really not Ichigo. He's like, well, this is me. And I'm saying, well, you are ugly, you Ichigo wannabe. Oh boy. This is some girl with like some I used crayons on this, as you can tell. I really like the texture, and this is like all shimmery. This is a Harley Quinn. She looks kind of cool. I remember my friend said that she looked like It the Clown, like Pennywise. That was really funny. I agree. Kind of, not really like Pennywise, but like some creepy clown vibes. I don't know what this is. Me, like, you know, messing around with markers. Hey, this is an Ichigo picture. I think this inspires a drawing that's gonna be in the next video. Because there's a lot. This is a drawing I made out of scribbles, out of crayons, and this is something else. Girl with like a bunny. Another yandere-chan. Moving on. Some other stuff, some markers. Ha. Hatsune Miku. Another one. Another one. We love Miku. This is some princess and a witch or something. Aw, a romance. How cute. An old person. Born to make history. I did not watch Yuri on Ice during this time, but like, I remember it was popular, so like, yeah. Pirate Squid Girl or something. I remember my friend went on like a trip to Paris, so I drew this inspired by that. People standing around. Her head looks broken. This is something else. This is some girl sitting. School. Yes, I'm very tired. This is also somebody. Sketchbook's almost over. Hello, how may I help you? Yes. Pew pew pew. This is some girl. She looks kind of cool. This is like the last page, and I think, yeah, this is like a shopping list.
And that is it for this video. It has been a very, very long time since I've uploaded anything art related and anything related to this series as well. Oh, by the way, this is me in editing. I've been very busy with school and just editing this has been taking such a long time. Of course, I've said that I've been busy with school many times, but this semester was pretty whack. Not gonna lie, and I kind of may or may not have had all the tools that I use at my disposal, so it's been pretty difficult to make time and also have the resources to edit and make videos. I recorded this a very long time ago, and editing this now, it's kind of just, I've noticed that a lot of my commentary is, this is some girl, this is some guy, this is something. Hopefully for part 4, I will try to edit a little bit better so that the commentary is not as boring. As I was editing this, I do think that I was getting pretty tired in the recording, as you can probably tell. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you stuck around for this long, you are a real one. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos so that you never miss the chaos. Also hit that bell notification thingy so that you do not miss anything. And also check out my social media pages. Go follow me on Instagram at smarty.artsy1a, where I will post a bunch of nonsense, and that's pretty much it. Stay smarty, stay artsy. Thank you so much for watching once again, and peace out, my sentient beans.